Actually po, this is the only beach condo sa Panglao Island, Bohol. So imagine po, owning a beach condo po for your retirement plan. So by the way po, ang condo na to is pre-selling. Under construction po siya. Kung hindi po kayo nakapanood sa last video ko about construction update about sa condo nito is andyan po yung link sa taas. So gusto niyo po panoorin yung kabuang construction update sa condo natin is watch that video po. So hello investors, welcome to our YouTube channel. So sa video nito is explain po sa inyo yung kabuang detalye ng Costamira Beach Town, Panglao. Ito po yung project ng Cebulan Masters. So, yung Cebulan Master pala is Cebu-based developer, awarded Best Developer in Visayas and Best Developer in Mindanao by Property Guru Philippine Property Award. So, yung Costamira Beach Town, Panglao is an integrated beach resort community that brings to life the comfort of home and tropical paradise. So, by the way, ito po yung kabuluang plan natin. So, dito is makita po natin yung bridge po natin. This bridge po is ongoing construction po. This will be connected directly to Tagbilaran Seaport. This condo is my direct access going to this bridge. My direct road link going to this bridge. Then this bridge po is connected in Tagbilaran Seaport. So this is the only beach resort located in a prime location. So yung condo na ito po yung Tower 1, Tower 2 at saka yung Tower 3. So yung harap po ng condo natin is just 100 meter going to beach. So beach access po yun natin. So ito po yung phase 1, ito po yung residential tower. At saka yung phase 2, it is yung commercial strip. So for future development po, like mayroong 7-Eleven, mga laundry shop, coffee shop, at all-in-one na po dito. So you need sa phase 2. So may mga gardens, mga resort, mga spa, ganun. At saka dito po may beach access po dito sa phase 2, which is yung homeowner ng condo natin ay which they can access. So this is good also for your Airbnb rental kasi yung target na market po natin is yung mga tourists na naghahanap ng matutuluyan. So this condo is very perfect po kasi itong bridge nito sa tabi niya po, ito po yung road. Makita niyo po sa video. Yan po yung ongoing construction na bridge. That bridge will be connected directly from Tagbilaran Seaport and Tagbilaran City. So ako na tourist, syempre kung mabuo ako ng Airbnb, so dito lang ako sa Costamira Beach Town, Panglao kasi yan yung pinakamalapit. At saka hindi lang yung target market natin is yung tourists from the Tagbilaran Seaport kasi yung location po natin is Panglao Island also, and Panglao Island, this is where the Panglao International Airport is located. So this airport is just few kilometers away from your condo. Then we also know that Panglao Island is best for its white sand beaches. So imagine how good is the property at how prime the location where the property is located. So that is what we call a perfect investment po sa inyo. So actually this is the first batch sa ating condo sa Panglao Island, Bohol. Pero actually sa Bohol, ito po yung mga first batch ng condo natin. From the video po, last video ko po na nasa taas niyo po, ito po yung ongoing construction ng Costamira Beach Town, Panglao. This project, brief summary lang po, this project is 40,552 square meter with a 3 residential tower, Tower 1, Tower 2, at Tower 3. Yung ongoing construction po natin ngayon is yung Tower 1 at saka yung Tower 2. Then yung mga amenities po, discuss ko po sa inyo yan mamaya. So, what best for this property is that yung property po natin is an idyllic and intimate spot in a southwestern coast of Bohol. So, not just it's surrounded by the body of water, but the lush tropical greenery and unique nature-inspired architecture. So, imagine owning this unit. Nature surrounded siya. So, maraming mga trees, mga city light that makes us feel good and comfortable. Imagine waking up in the morning, seeing that view, the best sunset view and with the best sunrise view. So, makikita nyo po na yung kabuuang kondo po natin. Sa gitna talaga is yung pool. Yung halos yung gitna is pool talaga. Ito yung number 4. Ito yung adult pool at saka yung kiddie pool. So, yung ground po ng kabuuang kondo is pool. So, not just you can enjoy the swimming by the sea, but you can enjoy swimming at your own pool. So, this is the only condo in Panglao that offer this biggest pool that they can offer to their condo unit owner. So, imagine owning that property. Then, ito po, so every tower pala. So, di ba may tatlong tower, yung Tower 1, Tower 2, Tower 1, Tower 2, at Tower 3. Then, that tower po is my garden patio, or that what we called a sky lounge. So, it's just a extension of your unit, or it's just a balcony to that condo unit owner in that floor. So, bawat tower may sky lounge po tayo. So, marami yung mga sky lounge that you can take picture, or gusto mo mag-muni-muni, or when you have mga visitors and friends na gustong mag-visit po sa condo nyo also. And we have also the clubhouse. Ito po yung number 5. Yung clubhouse po natin is pwede po siya pang mga birthday events, mga wedding, mga birthday party, or mga occasion po, or mga special occasion po. Then this also the condo that is a Class A condo. So, what meaning of a Class A condo is a future-ready condo na po siya. So, what do you mean by future-ready condo is that meron po tayong electric charging station for electric car. So, maybe in 2029 sa turnover po niya ay may mga electric car na po siya. Naman po tayong mga available na lower ground floor niyan. So, actually, best investment na rin po yung mga ground floor kasi imagine kung ang unit mo is andun sa ground floor, second floor, is very direct access na po kayo sa pool, di ba? So, yung pool natin, yan po yung amenities natin, yan po yung mai-enjoy natin. Yung pool talaga, accessible po yan sa mga pool. Yung may kids po kayo, may mga elders na kayo na hindi kaya sa mga higher floor, then dito na po kayo sa ground floor. So actually yung ground floor mura lang compare sa higher floor kasi the higher the floor, the higher the cost. So I recommend that ground floor also kasi direct access na po yan. So ilang step na po yan, or ilang hakbang na po yan, pool na po yan. Then yung pool po, grabe ang laki po ng pool natin. So may enjoy mo talaga at want to sawa yung pool natin kasi sa ibang condo po natin yung pool talaga is maliit lang. Dito imagine ito po yung pool natin, yung pool po natin ito, makita nyo po pool ay halos kabuuan ng Tower 1 na yung pool natin, halos kasing laki ng lot area sa Tower 1. Then sa building features natin, combinable unit. So what do you mean by combinable unit? So Kung gusto niyo pong bumili ng dalawang studio, actually yung studio natin is 22 square meter sample. Ito po studio. So pwede po niyang ma-combine. So yung Sibulan Master magbigay po sa inyo ng prospective na floor plan na gusto niyo or kung ano pong gusto niyo. Kaya na po bahala. So kung gusto niyo pong mag-combine ng studio, kung hindi niyo po alam kung anong floor plan or floor layout na gusto nyo, actually pwede po si Sibulan Master na yung mag-provide sa inyo. And we have also dedicated lobby and reception. This is where the dedicated lobby and reception area. Ito po yung multi-purpose hall. And we have also mailboxes per tower. We have also sky gardens on selected floors per tower. One level basement parking, electric vehicle charging station, centralized amenity features, at ito po yung sinabi ko sa inyo, yung property management services. Ito po yung property management services. Halimbawa po, nasa abroad po kayo, is kami na po ang bahala yung mag-manage sa condo nyo, at saka passive income po talaga siya sa inyo. And we have also material recovery facility room, one passenger elevator, and one service or passenger elevator. So 2 drop-off areas with guardhouse each. And this condo also is 100% backup power, especially sa mga electric power interruption, and 24/7 CCTV system. For the unit type, this is our unit type, the studio unit. So for the sample computation, you can see the video description sa video na ito. This studio unit is at 22 square meter. Ito po is a big window po talaga siya. And ito po yung provision for air conditioning unit. Ito po yung bedroom, dining, toilet and bath, kitchen sink. Then ito po yung with balcony. Ito po yung studio with balcony. So may bedroom, dining room, toilet and bath, kitchen, counter, sink, and top. And this is the 1 bedroom unit. So may room partition na po siya. Ito po yung room partition natin. So 1 bedroom unit, at saka may big window po tayo. Then this is the floor layout of our 1 bedroom unit. Actually 38.9 square meter, but our 1 bedroom unit is we have different floor area. Then this is our 1 bedroom unit with balcony. And we have also the 2 bedroom unit. This 2 bedroom unit is you have 1 bedroom, you have bedroom number 1, you have bedroom number 2, at saka yung bedroom number 1 at saka yung bedroom number 2 is may access sa balcony. And you have the dining area, your living area, your toilet and bath, and your kitchen. For the amenities, we have adult and kiddie pool, basketball half court, kids playground, adult and kiddie pool, fitness gym, clubhouse. So yung clubhouse natin is my 2nd floor. At saka ito yung ground floor sa clubhouse. And sky garden, jogging path. So you shoot our condo from tower